Hello, BVS learners, let's delve into the basics of calculus with lessons 3, 4, and 5. Lesson 3, Integration, Accumulating Change. Now, let's switch gears to integration. This concept is like adding up tiny changes to figure out the big picture. Think of it as calculating the area under a curve. For example, if you are tracking how far a car travels over time, integration helps you find the total distance covered. Lesson 4, Applications in Real Life. Calculus isn't just theoretical, it's incredibly practical too. It's used in various fields, from physics and engineering to economics and biology. For instance, in physics, calculus helps describe the motion of objects, while in economics, it's used to understand how prices change over time. Lesson 5, Notation, Differentiating and Integrating. Calculus comes with its own notation. To differentiate a function, we use the prime symbol. So, if y equals f(x), then y represents the derivative of y with respect to x. For integration, we use the symbol. If f(x) is a function, f(x) dx represents the integral of f(x) with respect to x. Your comments are important, so please feel free to share your views and suggestions. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.